Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel 3 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool and gently cut the adhesive around. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle. The Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the rear cover to the left hand side and disconnect the flex cable by pulling the tape and the connector. Before taking out the battery, undo 4 screws and remove the metal shield on the right hand side. Now you can disconnect the battery and the wireless coil connector. On top of the battery, there are 2 yellow color adhesive tabs we got to pull. Be careful and remove the adhesive gently. We are starting with the left hand side tab. You might end up with breaking the adhesive tab like us, but nothing to worry, just it will take some more time to take out the battery. Meanwhile, we can take out the right hand side adhesive strip. To cut the extra adhesive on the left hand side, you can use a pry tool. While lifting, it will start separating. Take out the battery and clean the surface, and also make sure to remove the wireless coil from the old battery. Now add the wireless coil and new adhesive to the new battery and place it on the phone. Connect the battery and wireless coil plugs to the logic board. Now you can add the metal shield by inserting 4 screws. Finally, we can add the main back cover with the Touch ID sensor. Connect the Touch ID and ensure the connection is secure. Before installing the back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.